Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to make predictions using a powerful tool in statistics, the regression equation. A regression equation is a mathematical formula. It's written as y hat equals a plus b times x. This equation helps us predict a y value based on a given x value. Let's break down the equation. Y hat is the value we want to predict. X is our independent variable, the value we already know. A represents the y-intercept, and b represents the slope of the regression line. The main purpose of using this equation is to calculate y hat, which is our predicted value. It's the best estimate we can make based on our data. To find y hat, we simply substitute, or plug in, a specific value for x into our equation. This is the key step in making a prediction. Think of it like this. You take your known x value and place it directly into the spot for x in the equation. Once it's there, you just have to do the calculation. Here is a regression equation that predicts test scores from hours spent studying. Y hat equals 40 plus 5 times x. Let's find the predicted score for a student who studies for 10 hours. First, we take our equation. Second, we substitute 10 for x third. We multiply 5 by 10 to get 50. Finally, we add 40 and 50 together, which gives us 90. So, our prediction is complete. A student who studies for 10 hours is predicted to get a test score of 90. Remember, the core idea is simple. By substituting a known x value into the regression equation, you can unlock a prediction for the y value. It's a fundamental concept in statistics for making forecasts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.